Hey guys, I'm Tyler. Today we're taking off my Softoppers. Just gonna go real quick through the steps and get it off the truck. So we're gonna just start by unbuttoning the Softopper here. Here, right here, right here. Easier, you can just untension right there. At this point, you can either take out the pins here, or in my case, this is coming all the way off, so I'm going to undo the bed rails here. You can see these pins, you just twist this off, and then you can pull out, and then you're going to take these front clips out as well. And then last to come off are these 15mm bolts right here for the bed rails. After that, your Softopper's all the way off. Obviously, if you wanted to, you could leave it down. You could store it here. Softopper makes a cover that you can wrap it around, or you can just use the clips on it. But that's that. Interesting to see that the weather stripping on the bar kind of got squeezed out. I never had any problems with water intrusion, but it's kind of interesting. And just like that, we're back to the stock bed. That was pretty painless. Just show you real quick kind of what it looks like all put away. This doesn't really compact any smaller than that with the tarp and everything. You got these metal bars. These do collapse in half, and they've just got mounting hardware. And that's about it. Pretty painless process overall. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you on the next video.